Okay, so add copper sulfate 2 gram in beaker B1. Pour 150 milliliter distilled water in beaker B1 and B2. So this is B1 and this is B2. In beaker B1 we have to put 150 milliliter distilled water, and in the second beaker we have to put 150 milliliter distilled water. After that we should add copper sulfate 2 gram of copper sulfate in beaker B1 and 15 gram of copper sulfate in beaker B2. So the difference between the two beakers, this contains water, this contains water, 150 milli, 150 milli. This contains copper sulfate and this contains copper sulfate, but the difference is in this beaker we have 2 gram of copper sulfate only, and in this we have 15 gram of copper sulfate. So عم يقولوا لنا stir the content of each of the beakers and allow them to stand. We have to mix the content of this beaker and to mix the content of this beaker in order to allow the copper sulfate to dissolve in the liquid or in the distilled water. Keep the prepared solutions B1 and B2 for the next activity. Okay, so شو في عنا? We have 4 beakers A1, A2, B1, B2. A1, A2 حطيت فيهم 100 ملليلتر water وعملت لهم boiling. بس عملت لهم boiling حطيت هون ظرف ليبتون أو ظرف شاي وهون ظرفين. هودي حطيت B1, B2 حطيت فيهم 150 ملليلتر distilled water. اثنيناتهم. أول واحد حطيت فيه 2 gram of copper sulfate and the second one 15 gram of copper sulfate. وبعدين عملت لهم mixing to allow the solute to dissolve in the solvent. وبعدين هلأ تركتهم. So which way? اوكي خلينا نشوف الصور لنشوف الفرق بين هودي 2 beakers وهودي 2 beakers.